iPhone fans, if you're rocking the new iPhone 15 Pro Max, I've got a cool tip for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to master picture-in-picture or PIP on your device in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, did you know PIP is on by default for iOS 15.0 and above? That means if you've not turned off background play in the YouTube app, you're good to go. But let's make sure everything's set up perfectly. Start by heading over to your iOS device settings. Tap on General, then find Picture-in-Picture. Here, make sure Start PIP automatically is turned on. Easy, right? Next, let's configure the YouTube app. Open the YouTube app and tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then General. Here, you'll see the Picture-in-Picture option. Toggle it on and you're all set. Now here's the fun part. Open a video on YouTube and swipe up from the bottom of the screen or press the home button. The video should shrink into a small window, allowing you to use other apps simultaneously. You can drag it around, resize it, or even swipe it off to the side if you need a break. And there you have it. You've just mastered picture-in-picture on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Super handy for multitasking, right? If you found this tip useful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.